Welcome back to the Certified Performance YouTube channel. We are another behind-the-scenes look at this giant mess behind me and these drag and drive cars. Our countdown clock over there, our anxiety clock as we call it, has counted down. We are out of time, so cars are getting put on trailers and we are headed off to MegaWeek 2025. So let's do a little walk around here. All right, so we've got a proper mess going here in the shop. There's stuff everywhere. Guess we'll start over here with Hadess. This had a 4-link TCI kit in it, what, 15 days ago? 15 days ago. As you can see now, it has Caltrax and split monoleafs, back to buggy springs. So Hadess will be racing with us in Limited Street. We've got Lebronze James over here. Couldn't leave it alone either after it failed to make it for Sick Week 2025. We pulled the power glide out, pulled the engine that we destroyed by not having the proper torque converter in it, wiped the thrust bearing. We have switched this to a 4L80 now, so we're gonna take that one, see what we can do with our aftermarket LT1 block, Gen 2 LT, Gen 2 small block Chevy.
Small block Chevy.
Small block Chevy.
Small block Chevy.
And see what we can do in Limited Street with that one also. And then we have Mr. David Black's Trailer Park 3rd Gen over here. And he broke the input shaft on his 4L80 at Sick Week and got a new input shaft, better, stronger. We're ready to go rock with that. Also in Limited Street. And unfortunately, the weather here in the Midwest has been pretty wet. And all three of these cars and our good friend Andy Bean with his OBS F-150 out there, all three of these are going completely untested, which has kind of become our MO here. But again, behind the scenes look at what it takes, what a bunch of mechanics do with their off time. And since we hate money, we do this drag and drive stuff. So get the trailers all ready, loaded, cars all ready and loaded. And sorry if I'm making you dizzy here walking around. We'll try to give you guys this behind the scenes look at what the drag and drive entails and what we do with our spare time. Again, anxiety clock has counted down. We're leaving in 2 hours and 10 minutes for Tulsa, Oklahoma with these race cars of ours. We're gonna go run Limited Street, and I will be brain dead by day 2, I'm sure, and mention all this stuff again. But the way the drag and drive works is we can put all of our cars on trailers, pulling our little trailers. We'll get those all loaded up and we'll take those out to the starting point, which this year for MegaWeek is Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're going to start in Tulsa. We're going to race there. Then we're going to drive all the way to Noble, Oklahoma. I'm sorry. We're going to drive all the way to Odessa, Missouri. Race in Odessa. Then we're going to drive all the way back to Noble, Oklahoma. Race there. Then we're going to drive all the way to Ennis, Texas. Race Texas Motorplex. Then on the last day, we drive all the way back to Tulsa, where we started. And we'll do all of that with the race cars, these little trailers. So you can take yourself, your co-pilot, and all the spare parts and tools that you can fit in a single axle trailer like this one, and that's it. It's you and your co-pilot and your car and whatever you can carry in the car or tow with the car. So it's not a race. People think it's a race from track to track. It's not a gumball run or anything like that. We drive a lot of very scenic routes, off-highway stuff, see some cool checkpoints, and visit some kind of back road America, which is kind of my favorite part of the whole thing. Spend a week on the road with your buddies in your race cars, driving around and seeing the back roads. It's a good time. So again, this is a behind the scenes look. We're going to take you along with us for MegaWeek 2025.